Sharing a quick plaid lettering tutorial today, friends. I have my bullet journal and I'm going to be using dual brush pens today. With the pencil, I've already outlined the numbers 22 and I've drawn these to be 8 pixels wide by 15 pixels tall. Now with the brush pen of the dual brush pen, I'm simply going to add stripes of color, but I'm making each stripe to be 1 pixel or 1 dot tall. I'm not overlapping the colors, simply adding stripes of colors one after another. Now while this looks beautiful by itself, I'm going to go in and add in vertical stripes. This is what creates that plaid effect. The colors just sit on top of each other and create these in-between new colors and add so much interest to the lettering. I'm using a rainbow of colors here, and pastel colors work best for this, but of course you can just use a gray and black to create a classic plaid look. To finish off the lettering, I just traced the outline with the black pen and then lettered the word 20 on top so that now it reads 2022. I also added a bolder outline using the marker, and I love the way the numbers pop off the page now. Stop by my blog for more easy hand lettering ideas.